In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Huntington Bank account online. Whether you're looking to manage your finances from home or set up a new account without visiting a branch, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process with ease and clarity. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Huntington's official website. Once there, look for the Open an Account option, which you'll find conveniently located beside the Login button. By clicking on this option, you'll initiate the process of setting up your new account. You'll then be directed to a new page that presents different types of accounts you can open. On this page, you have the flexibility to choose from a range of account types. If you're interested in personal banking, you can opt for a checking or savings account or even a credit card. For those of you in need of business banking, Huntington offers business checking and savings accounts. And if loans are on your radar, you can start the application process for mortgages, home equity, as well as personal and auto loans. Next to each account type, you'll see an Apply Now or Get Started button. Click on the one that corresponds to the account type you're interested in. If you're uncertain or need further details before making a decision, there's a Learn More hyperlink available for additional information about each account type. Once you're ready to proceed, you'll need to fill out the necessary application details. Be prepared to provide your existing account number or debit card number, your social security number, and your date of birth. Following that, you'll create a username and password for your online banking profile. This step ensures the security of your account and makes accessing your banking services simple and secure. Part of the application process includes setting up security questions. These are a vital layer of protection, allowing verification of your identity should you ever need to recover your login details. After completing this, you'll be prompted to verify your identity via email or phone. This step is crucial to ensure the security of your new banking account and safeguard against unauthorized access. Once all the required fields have been filled out and verified, you can hit the Submit button. This final step sends your application to Huntington Bank for review. After submission, Huntington will process your information, and upon approval, you'll receive confirmation of your new account. And that's it! You've successfully navigated the process of opening a Huntington Bank account online. By following these straightforward steps, you're now ready to begin managing your finances digitally, benefiting from the convenience and flexibility Huntington offers its customers. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has made your online banking experience a smooth and successful one.